Casey Wizkid here with a stylish headset from Seoul Electronics called the Impact. If you're looking for a new headset, this might be the one for you. I also have the X Shock, which I'll review in a separate video. These headphones are pretty neat. Both of them are Bluetooth, so that's a good thing. They're wireless Bluetooth headset. And the one today, the over-the-ear Impact Wireless, is the one that we're going to concentrate first. Beautiful design. I love these. They're meant for the sporty, gamer type. If you're looking to, go out jogging with these, you're working out at home or whatever, these are the type of headsets that you would look for. On the box, it's got the specs. Very lightweight, 240 grams only, as you can see. The highlight inside are the two dynamic speakers there, the 40 millimeter dynamic speakers, and of course, using Bluetooth 4.0 and the technology these days, you can hook up two devices. That's right, you can pair two devices with this, which is pretty neat. Took about 2 hours roughly to fully charged, and up to 18 hours of playtime, depending on what you're trying to do, of course, because it does have a hidden mic in there. You can answer your calls, you can do talk on that, not just listen to music. About 10 meters in range, or 33 feet. Okay, so that's pretty nice. And it does come with all the necessities to get up and running in the box. So again, like it says right here, not only is it stylish, comfortable, and long playing time, it's also meant for those that are on the go, traveling, maybe, like I said, you're working out, you're out there jogging or whatever. So this is a pretty premium style headset. Okay, so keep that in mind. Now, inside of the box, nothing out of the ordinary. You're going to get the user guides in different languages, of course, that are going to explain about the controls that allow you to manipulate the volume, the fast forwarding, answering phone calls, things like that. Inside of the case, this clamshell hard case, you can see that it's got a nice little clip. Okay, so you can clip that on your bag or backpack or whatever. And nice construction, with the zipper there going around. We're going to go ahead and open this up. And inside, there we have it. Voila. And first impression here, it's very compact. I mean, look how it folds. It's a tiny little thing. And I was, wondering about how big this was going to be. There's the USB cable for charging, and the audio cable in case you don't want to use the Bluetooth and you want to plug it into a device. Good length on that one. Very good that they included that. Never know if you're going to need it. So there's the Seoul S Electronics there logo. Very nice, the embossed logo on there. Again, going back to the headphones, very compact, and I'm thinking, geez, is this going to be big enough? What if you have a large head, right? For me, actually, when I tried these on, it was snug. It does have the option to increase, of course, the length on the sides. I'll show you that in just a moment. But, one very interesting piece here, the top portion that is on the outside is all material, which is different. Usually, we have either leather or plastic or something else. This one's nice material and good cushion on those ear cups on that leather. So very nice. One of the ear cups will have all the controls, the plus and minus, and the other one won't, obviously. The construction is very nice. You can see there, hard plastic metal on the inside there. So it's, good quality. It's not going to be easy to break these, I'll tell you that. But one of the things that I like the most is this top portion. Again, the material is very nice, going all the way around. Easy to clean, I guess, and soft, So that's the main thing. You got a little bit of cushion there, so it's not going to give you any headaches. The swivel, you can see there on the right and on the left, it's got a little bit of movement, but not too much. Okay, just keep that in mind. Good, thick cushion there on the cups, which is nice. Again, these are over the ear, so I expect that to be, this way and not too large in size when it comes to the cups. These are not massive cup sizes. And you can see it's got a little bit of a chrome or nickel finish there, shine finish on those sides. And here underneath you can see the USB. Okay, so you got the micro USB connector there, so you can charge it. And right beside it, that little hole, that's your hidden mic. Okay, so unlike your gaming headsets that have the mic boom sticking out, this one doesn't. On the other cup, you've got the indicator there. You're going to have also the on button and the plus and minus, like I mentioned earlier. When you hold down the power button, in that indicator, which is also where you plug in the audio cable, it changes color. So if it's searching for pairing, it's going to do blinking. If it's charging, it's going to be blinking red. It's going to tell you different things depending on what you're trying to do, and that's all specified in the manual very nicely. Now, the remote control, the mic controls, I should say, so the plus and minus and the power button combination there allows you to control answer calls, end calls, up volume, down volume, fast forward on your tracks, things like that. So depending on the combination of keys there that you press on your headset, you're going to be able to manipulate that and do all those things. So that's great. So again, very comfortable. This is not me, by the way. This is just the model, and I love the compact and stylish design. It's very nice. Those leatherette cups are soft, thick cushion on there, low outside noise, very nice treble and bass. Excellent sound, I gotta tell you. Very nice. Of course, if you're looking for something that's covering your entire ear, this is not it. These are over the ear. Keep that in mind. Definitely recommend it. I'd like to thank Soul Electronics for providing it. Comment below. Let me know what you think about these headsets. I'll add the latest pricing and the link to purchasing it if you're interested. And again, thank you for watching.